4 plus 3 divided 2 to the power 2, then box bracket 2 times 2, box bracket closed, minus 5. How do we solve this? Which operation to do first? So as per the order of operation, there is called PEMDAS, the mnemonic, based on which we solve these operations. P stands for parenthesis. Now parentheses are of three types. This is the smaller bracket, this one is the curly bracket, and this is the box bracket. So first we solve the smaller bracket, then curly, and then the box bracket. So this is the order in parenthesis. After parenthesis we have to solve exponents, orders, indices, roots, then multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. You can also follow PEMDAS, which is the same order of operation, only D is written first and then M is written. So parenthesis, exponent, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So why two different orders? Because this multiplication, division, it doesn't matter how they are written, they are grouped together. We solve them from left to right, whichever comes first. So this left to right choice is between multiplication, division. Only after solving multiplication, division, we come to solve addition and subtraction, and they are also grouped together. So addition, subtraction grouped together, and division, multiplication grouped together. But when there is choice between division, addition, or division, subtraction, or multiplication, addition, or multiplication, subtraction, always this division, multiplication will have priority over addition and subtraction. So left to right choice is between these two. Now let's solve this question based on PEMDAS. So this addition we will not touch because we have division and brackets also. So 4 plus 3 divided 2 square. Now this is not a parenthesis. This is just a way to write the exponent. This is not a parenthesis, because for it to be a parenthesis, a smaller bracket, there should be another number and symbol inside it. So this is an exponent, and then we have box bracket. So there is no smaller bracket. So we will solve this box bracket. So 2 times 2 is 4. And once the operation is done, we can remove the bracket. And since here we have no sign, it means here we have multiplication. So we write multiplication, then minus 5. Next step is after bracket parenthesis, we have exponent. So 4 plus 3 divided 2 square is 4, then times 4, then minus 5. After parenthesis exponent, we have multiplication. Now if you do multiplication first and you don't follow left to right rule, then what will be the answer? It will be 4 plus 3 divided 4 times 4 is 16, minus 5, then 4 plus 3 upon 16, then minus 5. So kind of addition and subtraction of fraction, but we can't do like this, because for multiplication, division we have to see which operation is coming first from left to right, and we cannot include addition in that left to right because the choice is between division, multiplication. So from left to right we have division first. So it will be 4 plus 3 upon 4 and then times 4, then minus 5. Now we can cancel this 4 and this 4. 4 times 1 is 4. Now we have 4 plus 3 minus 5. Now 4 plus 3 is 7, minus 5 is 2. Again we did from left to right. Although in division, multiplication it doesn't matter. You can add or subtract any way you like and you will get the same answer. Let's see. You subtract 4 minus 5. It is positive 4 and it is negative 5. So it will be negative 1. Then negative 1 plus 3 will be positive 2. So answer is 2. What is your answer? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.